day 2 of this project. I had to just set it aside last night. We had church last night, and just everybody was ready for dinner at church, and it's also just the rainy weather. Everybody's been more tired. I'm going to show you really quickly what I accomplished on the shelves that are here, and then I will throw you into a super fast clean mode of organizing, clearing out the scrapbooking stuff, rearranging, and trying to fit it on the 3 shelves that we emptied. I'm actually going to start here because we found out that we actually were only using one shelf just to stack, one shelf in the office, just to stack Chromebooks on, and that was a waste of space. And then we had like maybe some other like hands-on kind of school stuff there. It was just a waste of space. So we figured out we could fit these 3 here and that one there. They have different chargers on them. So it kind of, oh, the heater just kicked on. So it kind of helps to have like this one by itself because it takes a different charger. It has like the round plug, and then these have the rectangle plug. So it's kind of nice to have those like that. Makes it easier for everybody to tell whose is whose, because like these 3 chargers get mixed up, not a big deal, but those 3's charger won't plug there and that one vice versa. These bins are going to be cleared out by the kids off camera. They are not going to take care of this. These 2 shelves I emptied off camera because I needed to, I came to a point last night where I needed to walk away, rethink about what I needed this space to be, how I needed this space to be organized to where everything is like things together and we're organized for quick use and not something that has to be highly maintained. So I needed to go away, think about it, and come back with a fresh mindset, fresh cup of coffee in me. No, just in all seriousness, like I needed to walk away and then come back with a fresh perspective and look at what was finished. Watching our current new obsession. So the bird feeder that they made yesterday is working fantastically, and it was super simple to make, but we're almost out of, yeah, the air is dry. The air inside is dry, the air outside's fine, and it's making everybody's allergies go wee. So that's been fun. Another day of hashtag eat at home. Last night Madeline made eggless pancakes, and I think Izzy helped too. And they've been making these eggless pancakes. They are fantastic. They taste amazing. But they made a lot of them last night, so we had plenty for leftovers for breakfast today.
dangling from the roof and then swing into the bird feeder.
Hey, coons can unlock the cabins at Big Ridge. I do not doubt that coons could get into that.
What? They can unlock cabins?
Yeah, so that's why they tell people to use locked coolers when they go to Big Ridge State Park, is because the coons can actually unlock the screened-in porches. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, I hope he gets one off the ground. So now we're obsessed with watching birds. Oh yeah, it's science. Oh, look at that. It's like a picture perfect moment. Just get one off the ground. Come on.
It's getting darker.
We're about to have a storm. Yay.
Well, I mean, we plan these days to stay home, clean, and do school in January, so.
You can't
normal
find the
January.
right one, buddy.
So it's January today.
Today it's January. Tomorrow it's March, you know. Come on, buddy.
It felt like spring this morning, but I mean, I don't know.
It's getting darker and colder.
It is getting darker. I don't know if it's getting any colder. It's just getting darker.
No. You stand out there for 5 minutes. It's getting colder.
Oh, okay. I haven't looked at the forecast again. Yep, normal January for us. Stormy and or it's either usually stormy, rainy, snowing, foggy, cloudy, kind of blah weather. So you just heard the heater kick on. Heater's on. Get some more deep cleaning done and get as much school done as we can before our super busy February. All of the bins, all of the games, all of the scrapbook stuff is now out of this corner. I'm going to move these baskets back. Ended up not using those. Did use one, but did not use all of those. So now I just get to do some touch-up vacuuming. I've done a lot of super fast cleaning today, so I'm going to do all that off camera. Vacuum around here, have kids help pick up their things, and try to finish up this area, then move on to final touches on the library corner. Been trying to get back to the camera all afternoon and let you all know that we actually had sunlight this afternoon. And oh wait, yeah, there it goes. I was gonna say, and then it went away, but now it's coming back out literally as I'm filming this. So yay, we had sunshine.